This is #1 champion sound. Yeah, Estelle,
I've cried every day.
Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats. No interview with the NME, cause I will only make enemy. No Q&A with the Q today, cause I really don't have good to say. Who killing them in the UK?
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to get ready. We are going out on a date, and yeah, I already have what to wear here, but I'm going to style it because I don't know whether it's going to come to life the way I want it. But first we are going to work on our face because yeah, I feel like doing a simple, soft, very soft, seamless makeup, and he has never seen me with makeup, so we are safe, honey. Anyway, I'm going to do simple makeup and then we'll see what to do next. I don't have makeup today. I'm going to try as much as possible to be very seamless. So it's late. I'm actually going to do the eyebrow and an eyeshadow and then my lips. A simple glam, very simple, just eyebrows, and of course eyebrows, my lips, and just a few things. So I have this boyfriend, I think you can see it. I'm also going to be putting on this shirt plus this top. So I have an outfit in my head, but I don't know whether it's going to come to life. Okay, so let's try it and see what we're going to get.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Guys, I went back to the gym and I'm loving it. So we are using our new phone. I lost because my phone just decided to shut down and I cannot force things this year. I'm not forcing things, okay? If you want to live, you live. So I'm going to wear my wig. Today we are not wearing our hair. It's actually becoming too hot, like really hot.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
You number one.
Right. Nice.
Esimu yazikidde.
Right.
Esimu yabadde nga eyaka. Neyaka kwa netandika okulamira tulo. Imana ezikira mungi eriko. Eganye okuva ku makya sanga 5. Ganya okuddako.
Yazikidde ngudde mutuufu.
Ekanye nabadde awo neŋŋamba Mukama njagadde bwagazi kubanga ahe baŋŋamba ejja zikira omulundi gumu. So guys, I'm going to wear these shoes, these sneakers. They are really perfect and good. So I'm also going to take this bag. This is the bag that I'm going to use. And yeah, the outfit is going to be done. I'm not going to use a belt because I don't know why. Juan.
Champion sound, yeah, Estelle.
I've cried every day.
Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats. No interview with the NME, cause I will only make enemy. No Q&A with the Q today, cause I really don't have good to say. Who killing?